Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write interval notation for compound inequalities. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Recall that if you have a full filled circle, then the number is included. What I mean by included is, if I have a filled circle and the number, then irrespective of if it's a greater than or less than, the equality sign will be added. But if it's an open circle, as shown, then the number is excluded. Also, if you use AND for your interval notation, then what it means is both inequality must be true, that is, there's an overlap. However, if you use OR in your interval notation, what it means is the value of x will fulfill the conditions separately, that is, there's no overlap. Going back to the examples given, we have on the first graph, we have -3 and 6. You can see that on -3, the circle is filled, so therefore we have x is greater than or equal to -3, and because there's an overlap, you can see that it's a closed segment, so we have and x is less than 6. It's an open circle, so there's no equality sign. To rewrite this, I can say that -3 is less or equal to x, and x is less than 6. If you look at the second example, on -1, we have the open circle, so what that means is x is greater than -1. It's also a closed segment, so using the AND statement, for 7, it's a filled circle, so we have x is less or equal to 7. To write that in interval notation, I can rewrite that as -1 is less than x, and at the same time, x is less or equal to 7. To determine how to figure if you're going to be using the greater than or equal to or less than sign, if you look at the first example, you can see that the value of x is growing towards the right in this direction, and the value of x is going to the left in this direction. So that's why we have x is greater than -3 or less than 6. And the second example, you can see that on -1, you have the value of x growing in the right direction, and it stops at 7. The value grows towards your left, that value is less than 7. In the last example, we have two conditions to fulfill. You can see that it's an open segment, so therefore we'll be using the OR, which has no overlap. So the value of x will fulfill the conditions separately. So what we'll have in this case is, for the first condition, you can see that the value of x is reducing towards your left, so we have x is less than, and it's an open circle, so there's no equality sign, -2. And for the second condition, so we have or x is greater or equal to, because it's a filled circle, +5. Thanks for watching. Bye.